So, for a while now, I've been getting like ticking noise when the car's been running. Almost sounded like a top end noise. Couldn't figure out what it was. It's like an exhaust leak, maybe. But it was like, how could it be an exhaust leak if it's a 6-boost manifold? Hey, well, I pulled the turbo off, and I found inside here. No, I don't know if you can see that. I don't know where my light's gone. But down inside there, oh, there we go. It's all rusted out. So there, it's supposed to come to a point in there, but it's all rusted. And when you shine a light underneath, you can see a light coming through here and here. Interesting. I know you're not supposed to wrap them, but you know what, you got to take the heat out of it somehow. But it's pretty good. It's lasted 15 years. So what do I do? Do I just buy a new one, or do I try and repair this inside there? I don't know, I'm thinking of buying just a new one and scrapping this. Anyway, at least I found what was causing the noise. See ya.